Alright, how's it going, everyone? So, quick video on how to install these LED side markers from deAutoLED. So they always send an airhead. I always thought that's kind of interesting with it. So next clip will be down at my car and installing the side marker lights. Alright, so now you just gotta basically take this piece and move it off, and then you just push out the side marker like so, and then you should be able to go in there and modify it and replace the bulb. Now that I think about it, I probably should have gotten the white ones. I got amber, so we'll see how that looks. I mean, amber on amber. Should have probably just gotten a white light. Although if I were to replace the housing, that could theoretically work. So yeah, here in just a second. How the heck do you get? Oh, there you go. Bulb comes out like that. Super easy. And boom. Nice bulb right there. Now just gotta figure out which way it goes in. Okay. So let's test it. And it works. So I should have probably gotten the white ones, but whatever. Be careful putting this back in. So that's how it looks. It's pretty bright, not gonna lie. Guess that works out. It's gonna be scrambled. So now I need to turn on the car and do the next side. So if you're wondering what I'm filming on right now, it's not my normal camera, it's my GoPro Hero 3, old one that I got. Actually first, yeah, I'll do the other side first. Yeah, I can still get underneath here and do the bolts. I just wanted to turn it so I could start on the other side as soon as possible. basically you just pop that out. Just put a little bit of force into it, and it should come out. Like a little lever too in the back. Yeah. You push down on that thing right there, and it comes off. Pull that out. Remove the bulb. This bulb, it's always been this side that's been going bad. I don't know why. And it works just fine. Why this one doesn't go out as far, but there you go. So put them back in. Do that side first. See where this little clip is. Put it into that hole or into that slot there, and then this bigger side goes in last. And it's a million times harder to do with one hand. There you go. Alright, this is how it looks like when the lights are on. I mean, this is daytime, obviously. The LEDs are pretty bright. What I'm actually thinking of doing is getting the clear markers on the side, and then just have that amber bulb inside. I think that would look kind of cool. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Obviously, the helix lights already, did my interior lights, and my tails. And I also got these pedal lamps I installed. I don't know if I did a video on that, but this is the middle of summer, so probably I didn't because it was way too hot. But I'm gonna go get the car washed right now because she's filthy. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys want to see future video wise. I'm thinking about getting either a Borla or a Beluga catback, so I'll do the install video on that. Gonna replace these probably with some yellows or something in the future, the fogs, because everything right now is pretty much LED or HID, so I'm gonna make everything match on that. Might do some suspension in the near future. You know, there's a few things I want to do with this car, but let me know in the comment section below what mods I should get, and I'll see what I can do. So like, share, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and thanks for subscribing. I will quote Anchorman saying, "Stay classy, everyone." Although I'm not in San Diego anymore, so I can't say "Stay classy, San Diego." So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Until the next video.